After 5 seasons of madness, blood, betrayal, and absolute chaos, Homelander story is finally over. But honestly, guys, the real shock of the finale is not just who dies. It's what happened to Butcher, what Rand chooses in the final movement, and the terrifying message behind the ending of The Boys. Because the final was not a happy superhero ending, it was dark, brutal, emotional, and honestly, one of the most disturbing ending we have seen in a superhero shows. So today we are breaking down the full finale ending explained, Homelander final fact, Butcher last decision, Rand's ending explained, hidden details you missed, the emotional final scene, and why fans are completely divided online right now. And trust me, the final 10 minutes change everything. The finale basically shows us a world already destroyed before the final battle even begins. Homelander finally reached the point he always wanted, total control. The government is broken, fear controls people, soups are treated like God, and normal humans are terrified. That's what makes the finale feel so uncomfortable. The boys always use superhero violence as satire, but in this final season, the show becomes much darker. It stopped feeling like fantasy, and that's why so many viewers online are calling this one of the scariest ending the series has ever done. The biggest twist is that Homelander no longer pretends to care about public approval. In earlier season he needed love. Now he only needs fear. And that transformation is what truly creates the final nightmare of the show. Now let's talk about the biggest emotional arc of the finale, Billy Butcher. For years, Butcher told everyone that suits were monsters, but the ending finally forced him to face the truth. He became one too. The parasite-like powers inside him completely changed him. Every scene with Butcher in the finale feels horrifying. He is angry, obsessed, completely broken. And honestly, the show make him feel even scarier than Homelander at certain moment because Homelander enjoys power, but Butcher he wants destruction. The finale keeps asking one important question: if you become a monster to stop another monster, are you still the hero? And that's why the final confrontation hits emotionally. This is not just hero versus villain anymore. It's two damaged men destroying themselves and everyone around them. Now, this is the scene everybody is talking about, the final Homelander confrontation. Without spoiling every single beat, shot for shot, the finale basically turns the entire series into one final emotional war between Homelander, Butcher, and Rand. Rand becomes the emotional center of the ending because both men want him. Homelander sees Rand as his legacy, Butcher sees Rand as Bika's final memory, and Rand is forced to choose what kind of future he wants. The final decision changes everything. The reason Homelander's ending worked emotionally is because the show does not make him suddenly redeemable. He remains terrifying until the end, but underneath all the rag, there is still loneliness. This is what makes the character so disturbing. He wanted love in his entire life, but his obsession with control destroyed every relationship around him. And when the finale finally stripped away his power, we see the emptiness underneath. The final emotional collapse is why fans online are so divided. Some viewers love the ending because it felt tragic. Others wanted something more brutal and explosive. But almost everybody agrees Anthony Starr absolutely carried the finale. Rand might honestly be the most important character in the entire finale because the ending is really about whether the next generation repeats the same cycle. Throughout the season, Rand stands between two worlds. One side, the Homelander's violence, the other is Butcher's hatred, and both sides slowly poison him. That's why the final Rand scene feels emotional. He realized neither side is truly good, and honestly, the final choice Rand's make maybe the most hopeful moment in the entire episode. Not because everything become perfect, but because Rand finally stops letting others decide who he should become. That moment is the emotional heart of the finale. Here is the hidden meaning many viewers missed. The Boys was never just about superheroes. It was about power, celebrity, politics, fear, and people blindly following dangerous figure. That's why Homelander becomes such a terrifying villain, not because he was powerful, but because people keep allowing him become more powerful. The finale basically asks, how far can society fall before people finally fight back? And honestly, that comfortable realism is why this ending hits harder than most superheroes show. There are no perfect heroes here. Everybody is damaged, everybody makes terrible choices, and everybody pays a price. Right now, fans online are completely split. Some people are calling the finale emotional, bold, disturbing, the perfect ending for the show. Others think it felt rushed, certain that needed more time. Some storylines ended too quickly. But one thing almost everybody agree on this. The finale absolutely feels like the end. It feels heavy, permanent, and emotional exhausting, which honestly fits the boys perfectly. This was never supposed to end like a clean Marvel movie. It was always going to end in blood. So overall, the final episode of The Boys delivers one of the darkest ending in superheroes television. Homelander's story finally comes at an end. Butcher loses himself completely. Rand changes the future, and the world is left permanently damaged. The finale may divide fans, but it absolutely gives the series a brutal and unforgettable ending. And honestly, guys, after everything these characters went through, there was never going to be a truly happy ending. But what do you think about the finale? Did Homelander deserve a worse ending? Did Butcher go too far? And was Rand the real hero of this story? Comment your theories below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more ending explained videos, hidden detail, fan theories, and future spin-off. See you guys in the next video.